What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Scooby fam. All right, guys, so we're gonna get a quick cold start of Scooby for you. I'm saying it right now. We're gonna be heading to Mitch's house and we're gonna be installing a sick ass part in the Hyper Blue. I'm hella gassed, so let's jump into the video. Let the tank fill up. Let her warm up. Alright guys, so let's start heading to Mitch's. We got the STI nice and warm. We're at our, ride height. It is the weekend, so that's why I am taking Scooby else. I'd probably be taking Sylvie, but I want to enjoy this car for a little bit. Wicked Big Meat is coming up. Yeah guys, right now we're rocking, the OEM shift knob. We have a bunch of different ones, obviously. I'm sure many of you guys do. It's one of the first things you do is buy a few different shift knobs, and I swear, man, after using like a few aftermarket ones, I mean, don't get me wrong, there's a few aftermarket ones that I do really love, but there's nothing like the OEM one. Feels great going into gear, you know what I mean? So that's why I just wanted to throw it back on, but this car's running so smooth. So smooth.
In 2.6 miles, turn left onto Bulga Marsh Road.
Whew. Gotta hit a little bit of boost. Alright guys, we just pulled up to Mitch's house. Look at those beautiful Broncos. But anyway, let's air Scooby out. We'll shut her off. I'm gonna give the camera to Mitch, guys. Woo. You guys already know we had to get some coffee, some breakfast on the way here, you know what I mean?
You gotta be ready for the day.
Dude. Alright guys, let's show you what we got going on here. Alright guys, so we're going to be installing a brand new carbon steering wheel on the Hyper Blue. Here's the OEM one. Mitch has already put some, work into his interior, as you guys can see. He's got a bunch of custom stuff. He's got the Idoing. There's the steering wheel with the blue stripe to match, the clean blue interior. So sick. So
Can't wait.
that's gonna look beautiful. So let's jump to the install, guys. As you guys know, if you guys are Subaru enthusiasts, if you're not, the Hyper Blue is a special edition, STI that they dropped, limited to, I believe, 700 Mitch in the US. And it's got the blue trimming on the interior, which is so sick. It's kind of like a tribute to the older school cars, but super beautiful. So I'm super gassed to get this wheel installed. Hell yeah. Alright guys, we do have something big coming to the channel. Like I said, make sure you guys are staying tuned. We do have, another build coming that we have been wanting to show you. So let me show you guys that. You guys have seen the Mach 1 already on the channel a little bit. This thing is absolutely beautiful. But Mitch did want to show you guys.
So you guys get the rear of it first.
The wagon. So yeah, guys, look at this, man.
Garage a little mess.
Wow.
But
It's a worker's garage.
we're just getting ready to pull the motor. We got some valve covers done, some motor mounts, and then she'll be back ripping.
She'll be back ripping, baby.
I can't wait.
Stay tuned to the channel, guys. Wagon's coming soon. I freaking love the blah blah, guys.
One of my favorite years.
Super, super clean. This does have, guys, a hybrid motor. We'll get more into it, you know, when we drop the video on this build officially, but stay tuned to the channel, subscribe to the channel if you want to catch more on this bad Larry. Oh, Scooby looks so sick.
Scooby looks fucking nasty.
So freaking sick.
Dude, it's just something about white.
Oh, I know, dude. Oh, I love it. This thing's gorgeous. All right, guys, so we're gonna start tackling away here. First step is obviously to disconnect the battery because of the airbag. We don't want anything, you know, catastrophic happening. So we'll disconnect the battery, make sure there's no voltage going through the car, and we can start taking, you know, the OEM wheel out.
Everything.
It is gonna reset everything, but that's all right. You're about to have a clean wheel, kid. Ding, 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 ding. Me too. It's warm out. So yeah, guys, you know, we've showed you guys the word with this engine bay. He's got carbon everywhere. We're gonna be, you know, doing some power mods soon, so also stay tuned to that.
All right, so we're gonna tackle getting the airbag off. There's 3 clips on the back as Brandon's tackling that one. All right, guys, we got one of the clips out in the bottom. As you can see, they are a little bit of a pain in the ass. You know the angles you gotta get in to get in these cars.
Literally.
It's wild. You'd be breaking your back 3 ways sideways.
All right, guys, so there we go. Have to get in our 3, you know, airbag clips, fighting for it.
Christ.
We got it. So now it's just, you know, popping the 2 clips for the airbag and getting that out. There's 1 bolt that you got to take out for the wheel, and then she'll be able to come out, and then we just got to switch all the controls over. Bag's out, guys. Woo-woo.
Don't be throwing it around either.
Like he just did. So we got both wheels over here in the garage. We're just gonna swap everything over, you know, from the OEM wheel, like, you know, all the controls, the buttons, the wiring, stuff like that, the trimming. Put it on the new wheel. Let's get it.
There we go. Back piece off. Now you just gotta take the 2 screws holding on the steering wheel controls. You do have to take these clips off. So you're gonna pull them off, put them on the new steering wheel.
Alright, guys, so we got all, you know, the screws out of the OEM wheel. Now he's just transferring your clips that, you know, we struggle to take out. Alright, guys, so Mitch pretty much finished up the transfer, got everything onto the new wheel, getting hyped.
Yeah, big time. I've been wanting this wheel back on for a long time.
Oh yeah, brother.
It just feels so much better in your hands. So you got the bolster right here.
Yes.
So your hands, like when you're holding it.
Plus the carbon looks clean. You got the blue stripe to match your interior. Let's get this thing on.
Let that one pull up.
Oh. I almost forgot the bolt, guys. Don't be like us. Alright guys, the wheel is officially installed. She's a beauty. She is a beauty. Let us know what you guys think in the comments, man. Hyper Blue definitely needed it. Alright guys, so we got the wheel all set, installed. Remember, comment what you guys think about it. I think it looks freaking sweet. Hyper Blue definitely needed it. But yeah guys, we're just gonna, you know, finish it up, connect the battery back up, get everything all set, and she's all ready. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Remember, if you're liking all of our content and you're liking the channel, smash that like button, show us all the love, do it all up. Subi fam out, baby.